How to upload resume on Indeed. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. You can do the same process using your Indeed application. If you are on a browser, search for Indeed and tap on the first suggestion. To upload your resume, go ahead and tap on the three-line icon and head to the profile option given to you. In here, select Upload Resume and select the resume in your device. Select Build an Indeed resume if you do not have created your very own resume. Now I'll be selecting Upload Resume. Then tap on Media Picker. Select the document. From here, go ahead and select your resume document. Make sure that your resume is in the format of PDF, doc, text, or RTF. And wait until your resume is being uploaded. You can select if the PDF version is correct or not. Tap on Yes. Then select if it's searchable on Indeed or not searchable. Then tap on Continue. And that is how you can easily upload your resume on Indeed. Here is a little preview of how your resume is gonna look on your profile if someone search for it. They can simply tap on this resume tab option and they can know all of the details about your career and your bio as well. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.